In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to verify your Gumroad account. Verifying your Gumroad account is an important step to make sure you can actually get paid for your sales and keep your account in good standing. I'll walk you through the process from inside your dashboard, explain what you'll see on the screen, and share a few tips along the way so you know exactly what to expect. First, open your web browser and head over to the Gumroad website. Log into your account the way you normally do. Once you're logged in, you should land on your Gumroad dashboard. This is the main page where you can see your products, your sales, and your overall account activity. If you're not on the dashboard yet, you can usually get there by clicking on the dashboard option in the top navigation menu. From your dashboard, look for the settings option. This is typically found either in the left-hand menu or in a menu near your profile area at the top of the page. Go ahead and click on Settings. This is where you manage everything related to your account, including your profile, notifications, and most importantly for this video, your payment details. Once you're inside the settings area, find and click on the Payments tab. This section is dedicated to how you receive money from Gumroad, such as payouts to your bank or other payment methods. It's also where the verification process happens, so this is the key place you need to be. If your account has not been verified yet, Gumroad will automatically show you a simple verification prompt in this payments section. You'll see a short list of 3 checkboxes that you need to go through. These typically relate to confirming your information, agreeing to their terms, and acknowledging some compliance or identity requirements. The interface will guide you through each one. Carefully read each statement next to the checkboxes before you tick them. When you understand and agree, check all 3 boxes. After you've selected them, follow the on-screen instructions to confirm. For many users, this is a quick and straightforward process, but depending on your country or region, Gumroad may ask for additional identity details or documentation. Once you've completed everything on the payments page, your account verification should be either completed or under review. That's all you need to do on your side. After this, you'll be set up to receive payments securely through Gumroad.